This is Dan, King of Boatshed, introducing this Dufour 2800 28-foot yacht. Let's step aboard. The owner is in the process of replacing the original teak in the cockpit with synthetic. Nice wide side decks. Some of the standing rigging needs replacing, but the mainsail and roller further appear to be in good condition. Serviceable sail cover and spray hood. This yacht has the benefit of a replacement engine, a 20 horsepower Yanmar that has only done a couple of 100 hours. Plenty of life left in this boat yet.